In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join different speakers at once in Descript. This tutorial is designed for anyone looking to streamline their projects by merging multiple speaker labels in Descript into one, making your content cleaner and easier to follow. Let's dive into how you can achieve this in a few simple steps. First, you're going to want to open your project in Descript. This should be a project where your transcript already contains multiple speaker labels. These labels help you differentiate who is speaking at any given time throughout your audio or video content. So, it's important before we begin that these labels are correctly assigned to their respective speakers. Once your project is open and ready, take a look at the transcript or script in your project. Find an instance of the speaker label that you want to merge, which means this is the speaker label you intend to replace with another. It could be that due to an import error or a previous naming oversight, you have multiple labels for the same speaker, and now we aim to streamline that. Next, right beside the speaker label you've chosen to replace, you'll find a small Speaker Options icon. This might appear as 3 dots or a similar symbol, but its purpose is clear, giving you additional options for handling speaker labels. It's a handy feature for making changes to your transcript in a seamless and organized manner without disrupting the entire flow of your script. Go ahead and click that icon. You're going to use the option called Replace in Project With from the drop-down menu that appears. With this feature, you have the ability to select another speaker label from your project as your target for the merge. Essentially, what you're doing here is reassigning all the dialog blocks that were initially labeled with the first speaker to now be under the second speaker label of your choice. It's important to verify your new consolidated speaker label reflects all the necessary content accurately, as this adjustment will effectively tidy up the way your transcript reads and will likely aid in clearer projects moving forward. Remember, merging speaker labels doesn't lose any transcript information, but rather organizes it under a badge that may be more suitable or correct. By following this method, you're ensuring your project is more cohesive and easy to understand. Particularly useful if you're working collaboratively or sharing the project with others for review. It's small adjustments like these that can significantly enhance how your content is perceived and managed within Descript. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope this guide to merging speaker labels in Descript helps you keep your audio or video projects neat and professionally organized. Don't forget to keep exploring the other features Descript offers for even more ways to optimize your projects.